Steady and reliable has been synonymous with the brand Seasonic. But why? Why? I don't. Yeah, because Seasonic is a steady and reliable brand. No, I'm just kidding. Alright. So anyway, Seasonic has been a power supply manufacturer for many years, and a lot of their products they call the Prime series especially has been like really at the top of industry charts for ages now because of their reliability and up there. Like they are known to deliver more than 100% of the rated power. Okay, going down the product specs, we have the Core GX. So what is the Core GX? Basically is a lower tier platform but still very capable unit. And we're gonna take a look right after our intro. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is Chester here. You guys are watching our channel, Chester and Unboxing. Today we'll be taking a look at the Seasonic Core GX650 watt. This is a 650 watt power supply from Seasonic that is gold, fully modular, and Japanese capacitors. If these three terms doesn't give you a high, I don't know what will. Okay, so this is a fully modular power supply that uses a single 120mm fan to cool it. So let's cut it first and we'll open it up together. What do you care? Okay, so moving around to the box, you'll find a efficiency curve. So something about this curve is very good. At 20% load, right, it is at 90% efficiency. At 50% load, it is about 93%. Okay, and at 100% efficiency, it is around 89% efficient. So as you can tell, right, it is up in the high 80s to mid 90s, like almost all the time. We're talking about 240 volts here. So for y'all North American folks, at 115 volts, just minus like 45% each. Let's open this up. Okay, and why is the paper crushed? Okay, this is a thank you for purchasing the Seasonic power supply. Please note, as part of the united effort to fight the coronavirus outbreak, we have blah blah blah. Okay. Enter for a chance to win a $50 Steam e-gift. Not really interested about that. Power supply installation guide, useful if you are installing power supply for the first time. Alright. And this is a what is this? User manual that it's long. Not reading. Okay, zip ties. There's a lot of zip ties. Okay, power cable. This is because our region is 3-pin, so the UK 3-pin style and the standard power supply connector. This, I believe, is a motherboard power supply tester. So basically, you plug this 24-pin from the power supply to here so that you can test your components and whatnot. Okay, cables, and moving to the actual unit itself. Okay. So yes, this power supply has all the protection features, so such as your over current, over voltage, over blah 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 and blah. So it has a single 12 volt rail, okay, that runs at 648 watts. So actually the 5 and the 3.3 volts are actually taking care of all the small little ones. It has also a smart fan curve. So below 50%, right, the fan will actually run at a very slow speed. Then only after a 50% load and above, then the fan will slowly ramp up to make sure it does not heat up too much. So let's take a look at the unit now. So yeah, as mentioned, a single 12 volt rail. Okay, this is your connectors. So let's go through each of them real quick. We have a single motherboard 24-pin. Okay, you have one CPU EPS, that's a 8-pin. You have two PCIe power connectors. So that is your 8-pin GPU, 6 plus 2 8-pin. And then last but not least, you have two SATA, which has 4 leads each, and last but not least, a Molex connector that has 3 connectors on it. Okay, so all the cables are here. They are all black in color. Very standard. But the motherboard one is sleeved. So I'm not sure if you can see here. The motherboard one is sleeved. So I have no idea why they don't want to sleeve the rest. Maybe because of budget, as with this unit. This unit is designed for a budget but powerful unit. Okay, lastly you have the on off. And yeah, that's about it for this box. You can see that the construction, like the material for this case is not very thick. Like it is designed to be a bit more budget. That's all that we can unbox out of this power supply actually. So that is actually the end of our unboxing for the Seasonic Core GX650 watt power supply. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.